Hello students, I am Assistant Professor Miss More Poonam from Sri Mudhai Devi Shikshan Sanstha's Professor Sambhajirao Kadam College, Deur. Today's lecture is for B.Sc. 1st Statistics and the topic of the lecture is Introductory Lecture on B.Sc. 1st Statistics. For semester 1st, there are two papers. First paper is Descriptive Statistics First, which is for marks 50, and the next paper is Elementary Probability Theory, which is for marks 50. The course objective of this paper are students be able to compute various measures of central tendencies, dispersion, moments, skewness, kurtosis, and interpret them. Also to analyze data pertaining to attribute and to interpret the results. To distinguish between random and non-random experiments, students be able to find out the probabilities of various events. Also to understand the concept of conditional probabilities and independence of events. In first paper, that is Descriptive Statistics First, Unit 1 consists of 2 points, Statistical Methods and Measures of Central Tendency. In statistical methods, we learn about Introduction to Statistics, Primary Data, Secondary Data, Classification, Tabulation, Methods of Collection of Primary Data and Secondary Data. And in Measures of Central Tendency, we learn Arithmetic Mean, Geometric Mean, Harmonic Mean, Median, Mode, Partition Values, that is Quartile, Decile, Percentile, and choice between Mean, Median, and Mode. In Unit 2, that is Measures of Dispersion, Moment and Attribute, the first point is Measure of Dispersion, in which we learn range, quartile deviation, mean deviation, standard deviation. In moment, skewness and kurtosis, we learn measures of skewness, moment, effect of change of origin and scale, moment of symmetric distribution, Shepard's correction, kurtosis, measure of kurtosis, Pearson beta and gamma coefficient. In attribute, we learn order of classes and class frequencies, determination of class frequencies, consistency of data. In second paper, that is Elementary Probability Theory, the first point is sample space and event. We learn the definition of sample space and events, and in probability we learn terms used in probability, definition of probability, terms used in axiomatic theory, probability measure, theorem on probability of a event, and some examples. And into Unit 2 we learn conditional probability, independent event, independence and exclusiveness, partition of sample space, theorem of total probability, Bayes theorem, and examples. The nature of question paper is, first question is select the correct alternatives from the following, which is for marks 10. Question 2 is attempt any two of the following, which is for marks 20, and question 3 is attempt any four of the following, which is also for mark 20. Thank you.